Back to another video. In this video we will sort a pandas data frame based on a particular column, that is number of strikes. To do this we will use the sort values function. Sort values is an inbuilt function, and we will first pass the name of the column using which we want to perform sorting strikes. Then we will pass the value as false to the ascending order because we want the result in decreasing order. And after the whole sorting operation has been performed, we only want to see the top 10 rows to get the dates with the highest number of strikes. As you can see, earlier it was 3 January 2018, but now it is 20 August 2018.